Hello everyone. You probably know how Sora-2 is trending right now, but there is one small issue: the watermark. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove that watermark from Sora-2 generated videos. Let's go through the workflow step by step. If you want the JSON file, just leave a comment with your email, and I will share the JSON file with you. We start with a form trigger node to let the user enter the Sora-2 video URL. If you prefer automation, you can also connect it with Google Sheets to avoid doing it manually. Next, we use a code node to verify whether the URL is valid or not. If the URL belongs to a different domain, we return success is false. Otherwise, success true. Then we add an if node to check that condition. If success is true, the workflow continues. If not, it stops and does not call Kie API. Add an HTTP node to call the Kie API. You already know how popular Kie AI has become. It combines all top AI APIs in one place. Go to kie AI, and you will see the tagline: access the best video, image and music models in one API. You can manage all your favorite AI models from one platform. It's efficient, user-friendly, and cost-effective, which explains why it's currently in high demand. Sign up using your email or Google account. I have already signed up, so I will skip that step. Now go to the marketplace, where you will find links to all the available models including Sora-2, Veo, Flux, and even Suno API for music generation. I will share that music workflow in my next video. Next, open the billing section. By default, you get some free credits. You can start with $5 of credit, which is enough to cover most video tasks. Choose your plan, add your payment method, and once your payment is complete, your credit balance will increase. Go to the Models tab, scroll down, and click on it. And here you will see Sora-2 Watermark Remover API uses AI detection and motion tracking to remove dynamic watermarks from Sora-2 videos while keeping frames smooth and natural. The original video URL must be publicly accessible, and processing usually takes 1 to 3 seconds. Each video costs 10 credits, which equals about 5 cents. If you are not familiar with N8N and simply want to remove the watermark directly, you can paste your video URL here, run it, and then download the output from your history or sidebar log. You can also revisit your logs anytime and download the video later. That's the direct way. Now let's build it properly through N8N. Open the API section again and go to the API tab. You will find 2 main tabs there. First, create task to start watermark removal, and second, query task to get the final video URL after processing. Scroll down and copy the curl command. N8N handles curl smoothly. It takes care of all the setup automatically. Next, you will need your API key, which you can find under the API key tab. Copy it. Then, set a safe spend limit, click on it, and define your limit so you will be notified if something goes wrong. This is useful to prevent accidental loops or excessive API usage. Now inside N8N, paste the curl command there. For credentials, click Create New, choose Generic Auth, and then select Header Auth. Authorization, and here bearer, add space and paste it your API key. I already have this configured, so I will cancel here. Once done, your setup is ready. Now add your input URL and click Execute. Next, add a wait node since according to the documentation, processing takes 1 to 3 seconds. It's always best practice to include a wait node when using APIs like this. I set mine to 8 seconds to reduce repeated API calls. Then, add another HTTP node for the query task. Copy the second curl command from the Kie documentation and paste it here. Use the same header auth credentials and pass the input task info D from the previous node. One important note: if your video is published, the watermark can be removed. If it is still in draft, the watermark will not be removed, and credits will not be consumed. We will test that later using a draft URL. And that's it, the complete workflow to remove Sora-2 watermarks using Kie AI and M8N.